Hello Sagittarius, and welcome to your reading for the possibilities that are coming your way. Remember that this reading does not necessarily have any specific date on it. Whenever this message finds you, and whenever you find this message, then this reading will be for you at this given time. You are starting with the dominant energy of the drum roll. Wow, the Knight of Swords. So what is going on here? Somebody here is experiencing a lot of stress, a lot of kind of like sleepless nights. Somebody here is kind of like maybe there's a cloud that you feel has been hanging over you or over the situation. But guess what? I do sense, I'm picking up on this energy very, very strongly that it is about to lift, because you did get the Ace of Wands in the pre-shuffle. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what exactly is going on here. Okay, so I do see maybe some of you guys are dealing with the sign of Libra. I also see the sign of Cancer. What else do we have here? Okay, so in the past, somebody became a little bit guarded. Okay, I do see past energies here. Somebody became a little bit guarded. There's somebody here planning some kind of action towards you. However, the blockage is that this person still has a little bit of a chip on their shoulder because of something that happened in the past. So somebody here feels a little bit like, oh, I don't know, this person betrayed me before, or this situation happened to me before. I don't know if I want to go into it again. Okay, whether it's with a brand new person or a brand new situation, or maybe the same person, whatever it is, there's somebody here. The blockage remains this week is that this person right now has a little bit of a chip on their shoulder. Sometimes, you guys ask me, what does that mean? It means that somebody here still feels a little bit resentful. Like, oh no, you know what? I'm not completely over it. That's basically what's going on. But in your like practical mind, you're like, oh, I'm over it. I'm over whatever happened. I've already forgiven. I've already forgotten. But in reality, whoever this person is, they're still holding on to a little bit of resentment. Okay, now this could be resentment that they are masking with their emotion, that they are masking with maybe some kind of exterior bold attitude, but this kind of mask is sort of like just to hide the things that they truly feel uncomfortable discussing. Okay, whether this is you or the other person. However, this person's true desire, you guys, is to come in with an offer, a gesture of love, or some kind of an apology. This person does have romantic feelings for you. However, they are not showing it, okay? There will be justice in the situation. However, I do see that there was some kind of an ending, or there will be some kind of an ending. Something here is going to end, okay? So something here that is not meant to be. Don't take it too seriously. Don't take it too personally. Because despite your best attempts, I do sense that the outcome, you guys, is not what you wish for anyway. Okay, so that's why this is happening, or that's why this happened. It was basically never yours to begin with, and this is what you're going to realize this week. You're going to actually feel comforted by that energy. Okay, the world is full of brand new opportunities here for you, and if this is you in self-pity, which I hope it's not, maybe it's the other person, this is kind of like diminishing your self-esteem. This is going to be kind of like that energy that is going to start to move away. The reason why I say that is because look at this, your outcome energies, you guys, the Emperor, you growing into the Emperor energy, you embracing the energy of detachment. Okay, you're going to stop worrying over nothing, fear nothing, and truly start to let things go. Okay, it's sort of like if somebody says something that used to trigger you, it's just going to roll off your shoulder. You're not even going to react this week. Okay, that's this bold energy that you are going to start tapping into based on this journey of self-discovery that you've been learning so much about, or learning so through. So I do sense that some of you guys will be adequately provided for. If you kind of fear that, whoever it is that is in fear, some kind of energy, the universe always enforces the perfect balance. And so this is what you're going to start to realize this week. Now, like I said, there's somebody here not showing too much emotion here at the bottom of the deck. Something here ended. Maybe it's a Scorpio. Maybe, it's just an energy here that had to end. But again, you're going to realize how this is actually going to make a positive difference for you. There is, for a group of you guys, somebody here from the past coming in to say, hello, I miss you. How have you been? I do feel like, you are basically you feel like home to them. This type of energy, the Six of Cups, both of these energies feel like home to each other. This is basically, embracing partnership, a harmonious relationship that creates a lot of joy between both of you guys. You cannot even explain this bond. It just is. So somebody here, it could also be a brand new bond, a person that you have met in a past lifetime time that feels like home to you. You kind of like meet this person, or you've met this person, you're like, oh my God, I can't even explain why I feel the way I feel about this person because they're not even my type, right? But you accept it for what it is and you start flowing with it because you know that there's something there. So that's a beautiful energy here coming in for you. We're going to go into the extended reading to see who this other person is, because I do see that there's somebody here feeling something very, very deeply, but they're not really showing it. Okay, let's see who this King of Swords. What is this King of Swords? So there is going to be a very shocking revelation that you do not expect that is here to change your life. Like I said, someone here that may walk away or may have walked away, they're walking away, or they walked away feeling a sense of an empty victory. This person does feel damaged. They do feel damaged within. They do feel like, why did I do this? Why did this happen? A lot of regretful type of energy. But again, there's going to be some kind of revelation here. And I feel like the revelation is going to bring in a lot of wisdom. This person is growing through this energy, and this situation is transcending to a higher spiritual form of awareness by going through this kind of painful ending, or kind of like painful energy. Okay, so whether this is on a personal level, maybe them on a personal level, you on a personal level, whatever it is, this is going to benefit you in your favor. Look at all of these gorgeous energies. We're going to go into the extended reading to see who this other person is, because I do sense that they're a little bit guarded still. Like I said, okay, there will be justice, however, so justice will be served. But before we do that, let's go ahead and ask your question. So go ahead and ask your question. I dropped a few cards, but as I shuffle, you guys, okay, go ahead and ask your question. We're going to be getting a yes or no answer for you. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every single week that I post. I post each and every single week for every single zodiac sign. You guys, when you subscribe, it really helps me and it helps the algorithm so that I can continue posting more readings like these for you guys on this platform. And if you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for your support. All right, let's get back into your question. Is this a yes or no? Drum roll, ask your question. Okay, so that is a definite yes. So somebody here maybe has been single for quite a while, okay? And guess what? Bam, a brand new beginning. Again, we have the Ace of Wands, you guys, the spark of joy. Something here is going to happen unexpectedly. It's going to come into your life unexpectedly. Some of you guys maybe have been single for a while. All of a sudden, you guys are going to find yourself in love, or maybe kind of like finding that person that you connect with. That sort of energy. Or for others of you guys, it's the opposite. It's sort of like coming out of a connection and into your individuality, embracing self-love, embracing that energy of you working on yourself, maybe starting a business for yourself. Whatever it is, it's going to lead to success, because here the Nine of Pentacles represents success and coming to the end of an old cycle. It's a definite yes for you guys this week. Now let's go ahead and roll the dice. What does the dice have for us this week? The sign of Libra, again, balance. Okay, balancing. This is kind of like focusing in on some kind of connection with another person. It could be family members, it could be friends, whatever it is. But here, the sign of Libra, some justice will be served. Okay, the universe always executes a very precise order of justice, and some kind of karmic debt will be reconciled this week. Now, this also kind of reminds me, or just kind of like represents that energy of you embracing the sign of Libra, which is balancing, okay? Kind of harmonious energy, co-creating with other people, coexisting, okay? Kind of like that energy of trying to create a harmonious atmosphere, okay? And also the 6 all represents the same thing. It represents harmony, it represents balance. So there is a reason for everything. You know, as I like to remind you guys, each life, you guys, has many connections, many different type of situations to previous lives. There's connections to that. So you are coming into a balance with some kind of karmic situation with another person or with another situation. Something here that is kind of going to allow some kind of grief, some kind of anger to dissipate, to go away from your energy, to kind of like move away from your energy. So remember, when it moves away and when you start feeling that energy of feeling more loved, more comforted, don't replace it with another stress, okay? Embrace it for what it is. Beautiful. Now let's go ahead and see what the affirmation message is for you this week. What is the affirmation message for this week? it is my birthright to thrive, shine, and succeed. Again, another successful card here. Nines do represent success, and also it is my birthright to thrive, shine, and succeed. So repeat that affirmation to yourself 10 times in the morning and 10 times before you go to bed at night, okay, so that it really sinks into your subconsciousness. All right, this is what I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to watch the extended reading, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you'd like a personal psychic reading, you can click on my special link that's down in the description box below. I've partnered with Psychic Source so you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes free. And for psychic phone call readings, make sure to use my special number 26489. Again, that's 26489 when you make the call so that you can receive your discount. I'm not a reader on Psychic Source. However, you can choose from any psychic or tarot reader that you'd like by checking out their ratings and reviews. You can either chat with them online via my direct link or choose a phone call and use my special code 26489 to receive your discount offer. And check out my new video on my new channel, Maya Sky, where I guide you in an affirmations meditation to manifest anything you want. The link to my new channel, Maya Sky, and the new video is down in the description box below. And remember that your monthly readings have all been posted on the channel. You can check out the links to all those readings for the entire month down in the description box below. And check out ginamoon.com and click on shop. I have new jewelry pieces, necklaces, rings, crystals, and much more for both men and women. Whether you seek protection from negative energies, want to manifest wealth and prosperity, or you desire to find true love, my Gina Moon online store has a perfect piece for you. It's the ultimate collection of spiritual jewelry designed to enhance your life and unlock the power of the universe. Each exquisite jewelry piece is handcrafted with love and infused with the positive energy of ancient wisdom. Wearing these pieces is like carrying your own personal sanctuary, offering you protection, attracting abundance, and inviting more love into your life. Imagine feeling a deep sense of peace as you go about your day, knowing that you are shielded, protected by the powerful energies of sacred gemstones. So experience the incredible transformation that comes with wearing these precious gems. Let its energy align with yours, empowering you to attract love, abundance, success, and more. So check out my online store at ginamoon.com and click on shop. The direct link is down in the description box below.